I'm Archana Kabilan, a Bach Foundation registered practitioner, studied from the Bach Center, UK. I have 9 years of experience in this field. So, what are Bach Flower Remedies? Bach Flower Remedies are simple, gentle, yet a very effective method of healing discovered by Dr. Edward Bach in the 1930s. Dr. Edward Bach was a bacteriologist. He was an English doctor, a homeopath, and a surgeon. His philosophy was that he wanted to treat the individual and not the disease. He wanted a very natural source of treatment for emotional issues that a person is facing. Bach Flower Remedies helps in converting all the negative emotions to positive emotions. Thereby, it establishes an emotional equilibrium in a person. When I say negative emotions like stress, anxiety, depression, and the reasons could be many for a person to go through stress. It could be bereavement, anger, loneliness, separation anxiety, intolerance, irritability, not being able to achieve what they want, confidence issues, any negative emotion. It helps in calming of a person, and anybody who takes these remedies can live a stress-free life. And also, Rescue Remedy, which is a combination of 5 flower essences, was discovered by Dr. Edward Bach. It is like an SOS which can be taken during stressful situations, and it immediately helps in calming a person. So, Bach Flower Remedies can be taken by anybody. Any individual can be benefited by Bach Flower Remedies, right from an infant to an adult, and also pregnant women can take the Bach Flower Remedies. It's just that they will have to consult with their general practitioners or doctors before taking the remedies. And it is non-habit forming, it is non-addictive, it is very natural, and it will not interfere with the other system of medication that if a person is consuming. It is absolutely safe to use, and anybody who wants to live a stress-free, calm and balanced life can take Bach Flower Remedies. And please note, this is not aromatherapy. This is called Bach Flower therapy, and it comes in small vials like this. It will be in the form of drops. So one can be benefited by taking a combination or single remedies depending on what they need. Accordingly, when a person takes this combination, the individual can have a very stress-free and happy life. Thank you.